Welcome back to the Crystalina Perspective. Y'all, it has been a very long time, but since your girl has went to night shift, I have been learning how to shift things, and that's exactly what we're doing. So in today's video, I'm going to be opening the new Pretty Planner Co. intentional box for the month of April 2022. I'm going to show you guys what you can get inside of this box, and I hope that you guys stick around, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, guys. So Pretty Planner Co. did a entire brand revamp. Crystal, the owner, she put some of the old logo on sale, and now we are into the new. So we have our cute little black box with our Pretty Planner Co. tape on it. On the bottom is my address, and we are going to open it. Y'all, look at this. So first off, sis, like I said, she upgraded her packaging. She upgraded her logo. This makes me so excited. So this is the intentional box. Inside of this box are things that are going to align you to help you to be intentional with your goals, intentional with your plans, intentional in life. So I do have a coupon code, Crystal15. You can use that code to shop the site. But if you don't get anything else, get this box, because y'all, it's going to give you luxe vibes as well as functionality, which are two things you guys know that we strive for over here on The Perspective. So we have this cute little card with the new logo, Pretty Planner Co. And Pretty Planner Co. is a modern luxe planning company. We have the logo on the back. We do have a little thank you for your purchase. So definitely check out Pretty Planner Co. Then we get this beautiful, like, just logoed postcard, and on the postcard we get a beautiful note from the owner, and she has her definition of what makes a pretty woman. It's not about the makeup or the luxury goods that she owns. It's you, the woman that decides every day to plan her success. Her time is valuable, and maximizing her day is the ultimate goal. She has people to see, places to go, and she has to make sure her priorities are in order. You're strong, smart, and capable of reaching every goal with the right tools. You can't build a house without a blueprint. Pretty Planner Co. provides an unique planner experience by allowing you to design your planner according to those needs and goals. Here's to designing your pretty life. And y'all, I definitely can say that is so true. I am one of few people in the community with an A5 disc-bound planner, and it's very hard finding inserts for my planner, but I have managed to build it the way I want it to be built, because I didn't want to design it like anything else, because that didn't work for me. So anyway, the box. So guys, we're going to start off. We have a brand new sticker from the company. Cute tissue paper. So let's gently open this. Y'all, it smells good in here. This smells good. So we have a few lifestyle products right here. We have, these are dehydrated garnish beverages. Let me open it. So these are dehydrated garnish, pour, garnish, and sip. So basically you put these inside of your beverages. You can put them inside your tea, inside of your, if you drink alcoholic beverages, you could do that. Or maybe you got like a fine liqueur or something that's non-alcoholic. You could put these inside of that, but it just creates a whole mood and a vibe. I really like that. The company, I am having trouble reading that name, but this is what the packaging looks like. And y'all, it smells so good. You can go to breathebeverages.com, and I'm quite sure they have more over there, but look at that. And then we got this shower steamer that y'all, this thing smells so good. So this shower steamer is the company that created the candle for the Pretty Woman collection. So here is my Pretty Woman candle, the warm vanilla. Actually, y'all, this company created the soap that I have already used. Look, I'm getting my stuff mixed up. But this is the Yawa & Co. This is the Wake Up Tangerine and Saddlewood shower steamer. And it's thick, thickety, and thick, y'all. It smells so freaking good. I'm quite sure you could break this in half and use it multiple times. But I'm going to use the whole thing because I need a whole, I'm dropping it, whole spa experience, okay? So this is a really nice shower steamer, and it does smell so good, y'all. Alrighty, moving on to some planner things. So this is the bundle that you get inside of this box. We're gonna open it. Okay, guys, so we have this beautiful, pretty business card that's gonna look so cute in my pockets. Look at that. Like, can y'all see that? That is so, so pretty. And then we have some tiny dots, and y'all, they are tiny. They're tiny, but so pretty. Then we have some circle sticky notes. These sticky notes are the translucent kind. So you will have to use the marker in order to write on these, but I absolutely love them. Like you see, they have the little transparency behind there. And then we get a few other things. Oh, this is fancy, y'all. So I'm going to remove the box really quick. Okay, y'all. So we get these beautiful inserts here. These are the intentional dailies. It says everything I plan today will be valuable to my tomorrow. So you have your intentional schedule. You have your note section. You have your work priorities, who you need to call, check in, what's due, what you need to follow up on, your family to do, such as activities and chores. I'm going to have to open it so I can like really show y'all what this looks like because I thought I could. Here we go. So then we have wealth, which is check in, to pay, to buy. And we have a box there for whatever. You could use it for wealth, or you could use it for whatever. Health, what are your goals, your plans? What are you tracking? You could do your fitness here. You could do your meals there. And then you have like a water tracker there. And self, read, watch, do. That is where it is at, okay? So I think you get maybe 25, 30 of these. I'm not going to count them. But this is really, really nice. And then we get our routines inserts, which these make me excited. Like, y'all, I have been wanting to create some solid routines. So you get to enter your morning, evening, weekly, and monthly routines here. You have some lines to write out some things. And I really, really like that a whole lot. I like that a lot. And then we get a clear pocket where you can insert like cute little cards. So like our pretty card, if you wanted to insert it there, you very well could. And there is that. And then we get this beautiful dashboard that says you are allowed rest, relax, renew, realign. The 4 R's. You are allowed that. You have the pampas grass behind it. And it is so nice. Then last but certainly not least, we have the clear A5 rings. So these are some smaller rings, but you could use this for a journal. If you are a person like me, I own several ring planners and stuff like that. So basically with these ring planners, you simply can interchange them if you prefer. It's just the world is your voyage. So I absolutely love these so much. And that is the intentional box, y'all. This box is jam-packed. I am loving it so much. You could even stick like your tiny dots in there, like if I took them out the paper, but I'm not gonna do all of that. And like you could have stuff on the front and the back. So y'all, all I gotta say is, look, this is what you need. So this box is a must-have. I will flash the cost of the box across the screen. Go check out prettyplannerco. I love every single thing about this box. Everything was so well curated. If you're wanting to be intentional about your goals and your plans, this is the box for you. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And until our next video, bye.